Hi everyone, this is Lucrezia, your local guide in Venice. Today I'm in town to tell you about the beautiful building that you can see right here behind me, which is actually one of the most important opera theaters in the world, and for sure the most important one in Venice. It's called La Fenice, and La Fenice in Italian means the Phoenix. The theater was first built between 1790 and 1792 on a project of the architect Gian Antonio Selva. The construction of the building was funded by a group of nobles known as societas that chose the name La Fenice, the Phoenix, because this theater was born from the ashes of a previous one that they owned not far from this area of the city. On the facade we can still read Societas. That was basically the name of the society of the group of nobles that funded the construction of the theater itself. But it seems that unfortunately the name they chose marked the fate of the theater. In fact, the building was almost completely destroyed twice. The first one in 1836 and the second one more recently in 1996. After the first fire, it took only 1 year for the reconstruction, and the building was designed on a project of the Meduna brothers. They basically kept the original facade of the previous theater, but they slightly improved the structure of the building, and they also slightly improved the decorations. Some minor changes, anyway, had already been made previously during the French domination. At the time, in fact, although Societas was still the owner of the theater, it actually had become a sort of state theater. And in order to welcome Napoleon, who visited the theater in 1807, the decorations had already been slightly changed. That's also when a royal box was added to the theater in order to provide him with the perfect spot from where he could watch the shows. The second fire instead unfortunately broke out in 1996 when the theater was under renovation. And after this fire it took much more time for the reconstruction. The theater in fact reopened only in 2003. Over the years, La Fenice Theatre hosted a number of premiere of operas by Rossini, Donizetti, Verdi, Igor Stravinsky, and today it still stands as a production center of primary importance, with more than 150 opera performances in a year. If you would like to know more about this amazing opera house, or if you would like to visit the inside, make sure to visit www.secretvenicetour.com to see the tours that I offer, or visit my Instagram page and send me a direct message. Also, if you enjoyed the video, make sure to hit the bell notification icon on my YouTube channel so you will not miss the next ones. Ciao!